In this lesson, you will create the physical connections in the pipe system automatically using the Generate Layout tool. You will also manually modify the layout path as required. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Piping 03. Select one of the heat pumps as shown. Then, from the Layout panel, click Generate Layout. In the Select the System dialog, select CHWR and click OK. On the Options bar, for Solution Type, select Perimeter. For Inset, type 1 foot 6 inches. And zoom in to the right side of the short wing and click Next Solution until 4 of 5 is selected. Then click Finish Layout. The current view is Level 3 HVAC plant design. Let's add the Level 1 heat pumps to the return system. Select the heat pump on the left, then click the Piping Systems tab, and on the System Tools panel, make sure that CHWR is selected under System Selector and click Edit System. Then open the view Level 1 HVAC Plant Design. Then zoom to fit and click Add to System and draw a selection window to select the 6 heat pumps. When you do, on the Options bar, the number of elements is now 8, and logically, the Level 1 heat pumps are now connected to the chilled water return system. Close the Level 1 plan view and click Finish Editing System. Next, you'll physically close the CHWR loop, which propagates flow throughout the system. Zoom into the piping that comes from the floor below. From the View tab, click Thin Lines for a better view, and select the bottom piece of the horizontal pipe. Then extend the pipe to the left and connect it to the existing pipe. Next, we'll manually modify piping in layout mode. Zoom out and select the heat pump after clearing the selection. And from the Layout panel drop-down, select Generate Layout. From the Select the System dialog, select CHWS and click OK. On the Options bar, for Inset, type 1 foot 6 inches and click Settings. For Main Offset, type 9 feet 6 inches. Then select Branch and change the offset to 9 feet 6 inches as well. Then click OK. Then from the Generate Layout tab, click Remove and select the boiler to remove it from the layout path solution. Then click the supply pipe from the cooling tower above. In a later lesson, you will connect the boiler to parallel connected base-mounted pumps. Click Modify and zoom in and select the right vertical green sketch line as shown. Then, while holding Control, select the vertical sketch line just above it. Then, click and drag the 4-way arrow control to the left, just to the right of the double door in the underlay. Then, select the short vertical path line connecting the right heat pump and drag it to the right to align it with the sketch lines you moved. Then zoom out so you can see the entire layout and click Finish Layout. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.